how to see app uses history on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see app uses history on Android. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the settings, you can simply tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. And now, here in this section, you will see the graph in the dashboard. And now, here you will see the total screen time and time spent on each app. Now, here you can just tap on any apps to see the daily and the weekly uses as well. And that's it. That's how you can see app users history on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.